सो गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास। आज हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं रशियन रेवोल्यूशन। इसके अंदर जो आपके कंटेंट्स हैं वो हैं द एज ऑफ द सोशल चेंज, जिसके अंदर आपको लिबरल, रेडिकल्स, कंजर्वेटिव्स एंड इंडस्ट्रीज एंड सोशल चेंजेस, सोशलिज्म इन यूरोप, जिसके अंदर आपको रॉबर्ट लुइस बैलेंस, कार्ल मार्क्स और फ्रेडरिक एंजल्स, इन सब की थ्योरी पढ़ने के लिए मिलेगी। सपोर्ट फॉर द सोशलिज्म, एसडीपी यानी कि सोशल डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी, लेबर पार्टी इन ब्रिटेन, सोशलिस्ट पार्टी इन फ्रांस, the Russian Revolution, economy and society. Socialism in Russia, first of all. So the Russian Socialist Democratic Labour Party. Number two, division of Bolshevik and Menshevik. ये बहुत important topic है. What was the difference between Bolshevik and Menshevik? And the 1905 revolution, bloody Sunday, St. Petersburg, Father Gopan elected constitutive parliament or Duma, the First World War, and the Russian Empire. February Revolution in Petrograd, events and effects. October Revolution, events and effects. Civil War, making a socialist society. Stalin and collective farming. Global influence. So we will start. First of all, introduction to this chapter. The lesson throws light on the coming of socialism in Europe and the democratic events that forced the ruling monarch Tsar Nicholas II to give up power. One can see how the ideals of the socialism brought about the Russian Revolution. बेसिकली इस चैप्टर के अंदर जो आपका रशियन रेवोल्यूशन है उसके अंदर 1905 में फरवरी, अक्टूबर, दिसंबर की जो रेवोल्यूशन है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो द एज ऑफ द सोशल चेंजेस, इसके अंदर हम सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं, पॉइंट्स वाइज है पूरा। The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the society. देखिए फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन का ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड के अंदर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है। क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है? क्योंकि जितने भी रेवोल्यूशन फ्रांस के अंदर हुए थे उसको देखकर ही ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड के अंदर रेवोल्यूशन स्टार्ट। नंबर टू, पीपल वर कंजर्वेटिव, लिबरल्स और रेडिकल्स। सो यूरोप जो था तीन तरीके के लोगों में डिवाइड था, लिबरल्स, रेडिकल्स एंड कंजर्वेटिव्स। सो लिबरल्स कौन से? वांटेड अ नेशन व्हिच टॉलरेटेड ऑल रिलीजन्स। नंबर टू, they were against the uncontrolled power of the dynastic rulers. They wanted right for the individuals. They argue for an elected parliamentary government subject to law, interpreted by a well-trained judiciary that was independent of rulers and officials. Next, they were not Democrats because they did not believe in the universal adult franchises. So these are points जिनको आप बहुत अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ेंगे, सुनेंगे और समझेंगे, साथ ही साथ इनको लिखेंगे भी। Number two, radicals wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority of a country's population. उसमें क्या था? उसमें ऑल रिलीजन्स को आपको टॉलरेट करना था, यानी सारे ही रिलीजन्स इन्वॉल्व होने चाहिए। इसमें मेजॉरिटी आती है मेन। They dislike concentration of poverty. They dislike concentration of property in hands of a few, not existence of private property. Conservatives कौन थे? They resisted changes. After the revolution, this lesson throws light on the coming of the socialism in Europe and the dramatic event that forced the ruling monarch Tsar Nicholas II to give up power. One can see the ideals of socialism brought about the Russian Revolution. The age of the social changes, the French Revolution upon of the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the society. People were conservatives, liberals और radicals. इन तीनों के बारे में हम आगे पढ़ेंगे one by one. So Europe divided into three parts: three type of people: liberal, radicals, and conservatives. So liberals wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. They were against the uncontrolled power of the dynastic rulers. They wanted right for individuals. They argued for an elected parliamentary government subjected to law, interpreted by a well-trained judiciary that was independent of rulers and officials. They were not Democrats because they did not believe in the universal adult franchises. Now the radicals, they wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority of a country population. They disliked concentration of property in hands of few, not the existence of private property. Conservatives, they resisted changes after the Conservatives, they say the resistance change after the revolution. They started accepting change provided it was slow and had link and respected the past. Industries and social changes. इसके अंदर आप लोगेंगे it was also the beginning of the industrial revolution. Men, women and children were pushed into factories for low wages. इनसे जबरदस्ती इनको फैक्ट्रियों के अंदर काम करने के लिए पुश किया जाता था और उनकी जो सैलरी होती थी वो भी बहुत कम हुआ करती थी. So liberals and radicals who were factory owners felt that effort must be encouraged so that benefits of industrialization should be passed on to workers. Socialism in Europe. In France, Louis Balance wanted the government encourage cooperative and replace capitalist enterprises. Socialists were against the private property and show it has the root of the social evils. Number two, some believe in cooperatives, some demand that government must encourage the cooperatives. Number three, Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels added the industrial society was capitalist. ये कार्ल मार्क्स है. Capitalist would be replaced by the socialist collective where all the equal in ownership and reward of the production, and they are the Friedrich Engels. Marx believed that a socialist society would free the workers from capitalism. Number two, this would be a communist society. Support of the socialism. Socialists formed an organization called the Second International to spread the socialist ideas. Workers in Germany and England beginning forming association to fight for better living conditions. They set up funds for members in distress, reduction of working hours and right to vote. इसके बाद आपका रशियन रेवोल्यूशन मेन स्टार्ट होता है बेटा यहाँ से. In 1914, Tsar Nicholas II ruled the Russian Empire. Russian population, about 85% were engaged in agriculturalist. Industries were beginning set up where the most of the private property of industrialists. Workers were divided into groups, but they did unite to strike work when they were dissatisfied. Peasants had no respect for nobility, were unlike the French peasants. Russian peasants were the only peasants community which pooled their land and their community divided it. Socialism in Russia. All the political parties were illegal in Russia before 1914. The Russian Socialist Democratic Labour Party was formed in 1898. It struggled to give peasants their rights over the land and belonged to nobles. as land was divided among the peasants periodically, which made them natural socialists, and it was felt that peasants and not workers would be the main source of the revolution. But Lenin did not agree with this, as he felt that peasants were not one social group. The party was divided into Bolshevik and Menshevik. The party was divided into Bolshevik and Menshevik. Menshevik Julius Martyr जो थे 1905 revolution. The Russia was an autocracy. The Tushar was not subject to the parliament. Liberals want to end this state of the affairs. The work toward demanding a constitution during the revolution of 1905. देखिए ब्लडी संडे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जब लगातार प्राइजेस बहुत तेजी के साथ बढ़ते चले जा रहे थे और वेजेस भी डिक्लाइन हो गए थे 20% तक, तो उस टाइम पर जो मेंबर्स थे आयरन वर्कर्स मेंबर जो थे पेट्रोलियम उन सबको डिसमिस कर दिया गया था और उन सब ने एक एक्शन लिया. द एक्शन वाज कॉल्ड फॉर over 110,000 workers in St. Petersburg went to strike demanding a reduction in working hour and increase in wages. जब सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग वहां पर पहुंचे, the process was led by the father Gopan. The process was attacked by the police and chokes. Over 100 workers were killed. Strikes took place as a reaction. So this day is called the Bloody Sunday. Father Gapon. People demanding a constitution assembly. The Tushar allowed to creation of an elected constitution parliament or Duma. The Tushar dismissed the first Duma within 75 days and announced the election of a second Duma. The First World War and the Russian Empire. See this map, Central Power and Allied Power for the First World War. This is very important map. ये आप अक्सर आपके पेपर के अंदर भी आता है. In Russia, the war was initially very popular, but later the support grew thin. Anti-German sentiments ran high. Russian armies lost badly in Germany and Austria. There were 7 billion casualties and 3 million refugees in Russia. The war also affected the industry. The war labor shortage, railway lines were shut down and small workshops were closed down. There was the shortage of grain and hence of bread. इसके बाद आपका फरवरी रेवोल्यूशन in Petrograd. In the winter of 1917, Petrograd was grim. There was a food shortage in workers' quarters. 22 February, a lookout took places at the factory. Workers of 50 and other factories joined in sympathy. Women also participated in the strike. This came to be called the International Women's Day. The government imposed a curfew on the quarters of the fashionable area and the official buildings were surrounded by workers. On the 24th and 25th, the government called out the cavalry and the police to keep an eye on them. On 25th February, the government suspected the Duma and the politicians spoke against the measures. The people were out with force once again. On the 27th, the police headquarters were ransacked. Cavalry was called out again, however, it refused to fire on the demonstrators. Next, an officer was shot at the barracks of Resign and other regiments mutiny voting to join striking workers gathering to form a Soviet or council. This was the Petrograd Soviet. A delegation went to meet the Tushar military commanders, advised him to abdicate. The abdicated on 2nd March. The provincial government was formed by the Soviet and Duma leaders to run the country. The people involved were the parliamentaries, workers, women workers, soldiers, and the military commanders. अब इसके इफेक्ट क्या क्या पड़े? Restriction on the public meeting and association were removed. Soviets were set up everywhere. In individuals area, factories, committees were formed which began caution the way industrialists ran their factories. Shoulders committees were formed in the army. The provincial government saw its power declining and Bolshevik influence grow. It dedicated to take stern measures against the spreading discontent. It resisted attempt by workers to run factories and arrest their leaders, arrested leaders. Peasants and the socialist revolutionary leaders pressed for the redistribution of land. Land committees were formed and peasants seized land between July and September 1970. 1617 October 1917, Lenin persuaded the Portugal, Soviet and Bolshevik party to agree to a socialist seizure of power. A military revolutionary committees were appointed by the Soviet to organize seizure. Uprising began on the 24th October. Prime Minister Kansky left the city to summon troops. This is Lenin and Mr. Kansky. Military men loyal to the government seized the building of two Bolshevik newspaper. Pro-government troops were sent to take over telephone and telegraph office and protect to Winter Place. In response, the Military Revolutionary Committee ordered to seize the government offices and arrest the ministers. The Oro ship sailed the Winter Place. Other ships took over strategic point. By night, the city had been taken over at the ministers and surrounders. All Russian Congress of the Soviets in Petrograd approved the Bolshevik action. ये अरोल शिप था रशिया का. ये विंटर प्लेस है सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग. ये चर्च है सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग का बेटा. Heavy fighting in Moscow. By December, the Bolshevik controlled the Moscow-Petrograd area. The people involved were Lenin and Bolshevik troops. In fact, the most industries and banks were nationalized in November 1917. The land was declared the social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. Use of the old aristocratic titles was banned. New uniforms were designed for the army and officials. Russia became a one-party state. Trade unions were kept under the party control. A process of the centralized planning was introduced. This led to economic growth. The French head of the Budonovaka industrialist production increased. An extended schooling system developed. Collectivization of farms started. Civil war, बहुत important topic है ये. When the Bolshevik ordered land redistribution, the Russian army began to break up. Non-Bolshevik socialist liberals and the supporters of autocracy condemned the Bolshevik uprising. Non-Bolshevik socialist liberal and the supporters of the autocracy commanded the Bolshevik uprising. They formed their troops and were called the Greens, which would fight Bolshevik Red. The pro-Tsar White controlled most of the Russian Empire. They were supported by French, American, British, and Japanese troops. All those fought a war with the Bolsheviks, making a socialist party. The Bolsheviks kept the industries and the bank nationalized during the Civil War. The process of the centralized planning was introduced. Rapid construction and industrialization started. An extended schooling system developed. Stalin and collective farming. Stalin believed that the rich peasant and traders stock supplies to create the storage of grain, hence collective stations was the need of the hour. He was the Stalin. The system would also help to modernize farms. Those farms who resisted cultivation, collectivization were punished, deported or exiled. Global influence by 1950, it was recognized in the country and outside that everything was not in keeping with the ideals of the Russian Revolution. So, its industries and agriculture had developed and the poor world began feel the essential freedom to its civilized citizens were being denied. However, it was recognized that social ideals still enjoy respect among the Russians. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है आपका इसमें बट इन ईच कंट्री द आइडिया ऑफ द सोशलिज्म वर रीथॉट इन अ वैरायटी ऑफ डिफरेंट वेज. तो यहाँ पर आकर बेटा आपका ये चैप्टर खत्म हो जाता है.